everyone, welcome to a new video. Welcome to part 6 of the Drift Civic. Yes, indeed, it's the Civic, which is going to be a Drift Civic, a rear-wheel driven Honda Civic Coupe. Previous video we've showed you how we measured up the tunnel. So with the measurements we've ordered the sheet metal, which is going to be the new tunnel, but the sheet metal is still not here. So I'm showing you something else in my video because there's a lot of work. So in this video we're going to remove the complete front shock towers. And the idea is to make complete new ones out of sheet metal. The sheet metal is going to be cut with a plasma cutter. So we have to measure, design and manufacture the sheet metal for the new shock towers. We are doing this as well, but not in this video. As you can see, we removed the complete front shock towers. Maybe you've seen it on Instagram. I've cut them completely away. Well, it's a lot of measurement and lots of time. And we've also made a huge step on the rear because this is for the dual caliper setup. And as you can see, this is 3D printed and I will catch you up on that later. So if you don't want to miss a thing about this build, please follow me on Instagram. A week ago we started with removing the rear, or what's left, the rear axle and the wishbone, so that we can make some new measurements for 3D printing the wheel knuckle, which is for testing of course, not for final use. So now the engine is back on its place, and now we have to make some new measurements for the new oil pan. It's really tight space. So as you can see, it's pretty tight, but we still have enough room. I'm pulling the engine out again because we need some space for more cutting, and also with that engine removed I can finish the mounts, which I made last video. Doe even een lampje hebben. Niet om het te kunnen zien, maar weer op spinnen zitten. Dit is een spin met de hakken. Wat is dit? Oh, ik zit nog aan de motorsteun. Wat wil je dat ik doe?
Ja, aan dat stangetje tillen.
Dat stangetje, oh god, gaan we weer. Wacht even, ik wil niet even klaar zitten. Ik moet een soort van deadlift maken. Ja? Ja, ik kom nou niet verder, schat. We don't like the front shock towers, the original ones, so we are going to remove them completely. Okay, another thing, here's the steering column bushing. and Erwin cut it in half. We're going to make a metal plate over here and convert it to Honda steering knuckle. It's supposed to be like... Shitty thing doesn't work alone. It has to be something like this. It has to be something like this. So over here you can see the 3D printed wheel knuckle. This one we made just for test fit. This is not the eventual part, of course. So we're gonna drill some holes over here, and we're gonna use some sheet metal over here to extend it to the heim joint, which is around here. And of course we will make sure it is strong enough.
We made a flat plate here that we can mount bolts in with a steel brace that goes to the front, and there we will have a heim joint that will be adjusted for the toe. Designing the knuckle, we can adjust the placement of the lower control arm. As is now, we have moved the lower control arm to the back, so we have more clearance for the axle. So this will become a solid collar, so we don't have any movement of the shock absorber. Also, we will try to get new shock absorber with a ball joint at the top, so the shock can align like this, and then at the lower end we need a new cup.
A few videos back I've said that we would adjust the original oil pan, but we decided to make a custom one out of plate aluminum. So we're going to make some measurements and order the plate aluminum. Now that the engine is out, I can finally finish the engine mounts. And now that I'm finished with the engine mount, I'm going to clean it up and brush it up a little bit and then paint it. I'm finishing the engine mounts with some black rust primer. I'd rather have them powder coated, but I won't get them back within a few days, so this is the quickest and the best method for now. So with this I want to end up our video. It's quite unsure what the next video will be about because we're still waiting for parts. So with this I want to end up the video and make sure you follow us on Instagram. See you next time.